Hey y'all, 2012 Volkswagen Passat finna ready to reach 200,000 miles. Yep, I already reached 200,000 miles. Oh wow. Y'all, this has been a good car so far. When I got this car, I had 162,000 miles. The only day I had to get replaced on what I thought about it, that was it. This is a good car, y'all. Oh my God. I just want to post my YouTube family or whatever because I haven't been posting videos in a long time. But I just want to let y'all know that I'm going to be coming back. I'm finna get my CDL. Finna try to get my CDL September so I can make a lot of money or whatever. Try to better myself. I know it's not an easy job, but try to do better my life and everything. Cause my last job, job I got now is not perfect. It's not paying what I want, but I'll be doing lots of reviews, so bigger, better videos coming. I'm gonna try to do a review on this Volkswagen I have, a 2012 Volkswagen Passat SE, 2.5 liter 5-cylinder. It's a good car. I mean, like, it's a really good car. I got my sunroof, I plug my sunroof, but it's a really good car, y'all. Like you see, right now I'm doing 90 miles per hour. Coming down Moody, Alabama, whatever, heading back towards Birmingham way, whatever, trying to get the hell up out here, excuse my language, but it's a really good car. So I just reached 200,000 miles. Right now I got 200,000 miles I got it wrong, but y'all know. But this is Kevin Oliver, I'm back again. So like, I just want y'all to keep, subscribe to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bigger and better videos coming. Finna get me a GoPro very soon. Finna start my reviews back, review some new cars and everything. But yes, thank y'all so much. Have a blessed day and y'all stay safe.